Welcome to DWA Commerce. In this video we will learn how to use Excel template for creating multiple categories at once. The first step is creating the Excel sheet with category data. Download the template for categories. Next, fill the sheet with category data. Final step is to upload the sheet. If you don't know how, check previous video on using Excel import functionality. Now, let's take a look at categories template. The first column is the category ID, which you can leave blank if you want the IDs to be auto-generated. The next column is category name, where we provide the name of the categories like menswear. Next, we have the category type, which by default will be catalog category but can be changed if needed. Then there are description and long description columns. In short description we can type category for menswear, and the long description, a more detailed description, can be provided. Now the second last column is for formula or setting-based data. The data for this column is auto-generated by system and should be left as it is.